Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Premiere Pro for LUT management and color consistency. Complete guide step by step. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import your footage by selecting File then Import. Locate the Lumetri Color panel by navigating to Window and selecting Lumetri Color. In the Lumetri Color panel, select the Creative tab for color grading. Import your LUT by clicking on the drop-down menu next to LUT. Choose Browse and locate your LUT file on your computer. Select the LUT file and click Open to apply it to your footage. Adjust the intensity of the LUT using the intensity slider if necessary. To maintain color consistency, select the Basic Correction tab in the Lumetri Color panel. Set your project's color space by adjusting the input LUT if applicable. Ensure your footage is properly exposed and white balanced before applying LUTs. Check the Curves and Color Wheels sections for further adjustments to your color grade. Utilize the FX Controls panel to fine-tune individual clip settings if needed. Create an adjustment layer by selecting File, then New, and choosing Adjustment Layer. Drag the adjustment layer onto your timeline above your footage. Apply the same LUT to the adjustment layer to maintain a consistent look across multiple clips. Make additional color corrections on the adjustment layer for better overall coherence. Review your footage in the color workspace by selecting Color at the top of the screen. Once you're satisfied, render your project to see how the LUT performs in real time. Save your project regularly to avoid any loss of work. Consider exporting a project with a variety of scenes to see how the LUT performs across different lighting conditions. This will ensure your color grading remains consistent throughout your video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.